Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll solve the two variable linear equation using substitution method. Now the given example is 5x minus 4y minus 8 and second one is 7x plus 6y equals to 9. Now first one is equation 1, second one is equation 2. Now we apply the substitution method here. Now step 1, substitution method we apply here. Now step 1, any one variable expressed in terms of the another variable. So I will take the first equation, which is 5x minus 4y equals to minus 8, or minus 4y equals to minus 8 minus 5x, or y equals to, or minus y equals to minus 8 minus 5x plus 5x divided by 4, or y equals to, you can write here 5x by 4 plus 2. Now this expression, we name this expression equation 3. Now step 2, substitute the value of y in equation 2. Now our equation 2 is 7x plus 6y equals to 9. So now we substitute the value of y here, or 7x plus 6 into 5x by 4 5x by 4 plus 2 is equals to 9, or 7x plus here 6 into 5x by 4 plus 6 into 2 equals to 9. So here 2, here 3. Now or 7x plus 3 into 5, which is 15x by 2 plus 6 into 2, which is 12, is equals to 9, or 7 into 2, which is 14x plus 15x plus 12 into 2, which is 24, equals to 9 into 2, which is 18, or 14x plus 15x, which is 29x, is equals to 18 minus 24, which is minus 6, or অতএব x equals to minus 6 by 29. Now we calculate the one variable value, which is x equals to minus 6 by 29. Now another step, which is step 3, we calculate the value of y. Now substitute the value of x in equation 3. Now our equation 3 is y equals to 5x by 4 plus 2. Now we substitute the value of x here, or y equals to 5 by 4 into x, which is minus 6 by 29 plus 2, or 2, here 3. Now or y equals to 15, 3 into 5, 15, minus 15 divided by 2 into 29, 9 into 2, which is 18, and 2 into 2, 4, plus 1, 5, 58 plus 2. So now here y equals to 58 into 2 minus 15 plus 8 into 2, 16, 1, and 5 into 2, which is 10, plus 1, 11, divided by 58, or y equals to, now subtract 116 from minus 15. Here 6 minus 5, which is 1, and 1 minus 1, which is 0, and 1, divided by 58. So the value of y equals to 101 divided by 58. So our solution, step 4. Now our final solution is x, the solution of these two equation, x equals to minus 6 by 29 and y equals to 101 by 58. This is our final answer. So you check your answer is correct or not. You simply put this x and y value in any one equation and you get compare the LHS part is equals to the RHS part or not. If the equal LHS part also equals to the RHS part, then your answer is correct. So you apply this, but this answer is correct. This is our final answer.